Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for machine learning. Today we're going to discuss the algorithm called K-NES algorithm. So one of the important algorithm where you can say it's one of the algorithm comes with a class. Sorry, one of the supervised machine learning algorithm, and we can say can trace with the help of classification regression. Majority are using with the classification only. So supervised learning technique also. Moreover, it assumes that here the algorithm assumes that similarity between the new case or data and available cases and put the case into the category that is more similar to the available category. So this video we're going to discuss about the what is K regarding the K algorithm, how it work and with some real-time example. Here the algorithm what will do means always stores the available data and classifies a new data point based on the see the point option based on the similarity here. And also here it means what when new data appears that it can be easily classified into a well-suited category by using KNN algorithm. Moreover, these categories, these concept three categories. One is called the lazy learning algorithm, one is called non-parametric algorithm, and one called eager learning algorithm. Here we say it's one of the lazy learning algorithm. Why? Because is not a here whenever go for this algorithm, it will take everything from the training data set that also at the time of classification only. Remember, that's what is saying lazy learning algorithm. You won't get the accurate result. Moreover, it comes under the category of non-parametric learning algorithm because it does not assume anything about the underlying data. So nothing is underlined here. And moreover, eager learning algorithm because when you get set up training to your tuples is there, it constructs a generalization model before receiving the new one. That is like that. Let's see the example. Let's assume that if you have an image that looks similar, that is cat and dog. Now we have cat and dog. What? So we have to find out whether it's a cat or dog. So we can for identification we can utilize this KN algorithm. If you utilize this, what will happen? Input value, predict output like this. So we can get some approximate output when you go for the KN classifier. Remember, we can't get the accurate result. Working method. So if you come to the working method of KNN, first of all, we will select the number of neighbors, k neighbors. Then we can calculate the equivalent distance of neighbors. There will be a formula. Then take the nearest neighbors as per the calculated distance. And among these neighbors, count the number of data points in the each category. At last, assign the new points, data points here to that category for which the number of neighbors maximum. At last, our models get ready. Let's see the example. We'll get the clarity. Say example, let's assume that we have a category in category B and we have new data point. Here is it. So we have to find and add the data point with either category I or B. So what will happen? We can do it with the help of this formula only. We can apply the equality and distance now. So once go for application on this one, what happen? Choose the number of neighbors. That assume that we are going to choose the k value is 5. Then the data points. So equal distance. So once calculated the part 2 points, we can geometry already studied, that is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus 1 square. So this is the blueprint of this one. So y2 y1, this is a way you can find out the new data point, so we can apply. So after applying this one, we can get and we can add the new data point with the category A. So category A totally 3 neighbors. At last we can find we can finalize category B 2 neighbors. So simple and easy. Once you want to find anything, we can apply the equal distance. At last we can conclude. So we can add the new data point with the category A, and we have at last we have 3 neighbors in category A, and by default category B 2 neighbors. So these are the things about the K-means second algorithm. If any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.